Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having lower miles with less wear and tear and a good deal. Features also include navigation system, alloy wheels, leather interior group, hands-free Bluetooth integration, sun moonroof, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick. With these ratings, we are pleased to show you the 2013 CR-V. CR-V, a top recommended vehicle because of its car-like driving manners, good value, cool technology, and comfy interior, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated side mirrors, traction control, intermittent wipers, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights, FWD, headlights auto off, mirror memory, leather seats. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.